Market is very, very slow. I think the whole December will not be that slow as the start right now. I hope that we will get some action on dollar very soon. I'm currently trading the EURUSD to the downside. That's the move that I'm currently in. I am in the trade from here. This was my trade. And I will be still holding it. I do anticipate that the price will reach all the way back to these lows at least. So I'm anticipating some action over there. I hope that the party will start soon on dollar. Dollar, this is something that I'm waiting for over there. This move to the upside. Very, very possible movement. It can even extend all the way back to those tops again back. So worth of taking the risk over there. Okay, one trade as well that I'm holding is Yen. Yen, it's very, very good. Currently looking good, looking great. So I anticipated to push more to the upside. So Euro yen has more volatility as euro dollar for now, so but that doesn't mean anything. That means I just have to be a little bit more patient. Patient pays off. We all know that in this game. And gold, I'm still anticipating it to go back, at least back to those lows over there. Damn it. It must go. I mean, it must. There's no must, but high probability, and my aim is to visit these lows over there. This is something that I would really like to see. 15 minutes, it's somehow accumulating earlier, so yes, this can happen. Just revisit that low, and then I will be taking profit over there. I can even place my alarm over there, so I'll take some profits. Very possible that dollar can go back to this lowest, this high as well. Very possible. So this can be A, B, C, and then going up. So this everything together can become one big huge structure for upside. It can be daily, yes. Daily is showing that this can be AB equals CD. So the whole move to the upside. I think this will be for the next year movement. But we will see. We don't know what's going to happen, but we have to stay in this direction for the upside currently, as there is no any downside. GU is already pushing lower, yeah, that's great. I do anticipate it go back to this low as well. More volatility will come tomorrow. Come tomorrow, probably. I don't believe that there will be now strong volatility tomorrow. I think tomorrow we will see much faster movements over there. Yeah, this one it's crazy. AUSD as well. I will not be buying it that high. Buying it that high, it's not for me. I don't like, because after this movement, I do anticipate that the market will definitely go into the pullback. Pullback is something that I would rather trade than trading this continuation more to the upside. So definitely staying away from it and waiting patiently for the sell setup. New Zealand USD. Not much. Yeah. They all are waiting for some action. Volatility, momentum needs to come. So as it stands right now, we don't have anything. Neither on 15-minute. So pullback as well. Very, very possible pullback over there. It can go a little bit slower to the upside and then it can revisit the low again. Possible as well, yeah. So this is why it's dangerous for me to buy there at the top. Don't like it. I don't like it. We'll leave it alone. Not buying. Not selling yet. USD this one's good one. There was a nice flag. And it's going up. It gives a lot of opportunities to add to increasing risk. This was a very good trade. Still move to go. I do believe that this is 1, 2, 3, and it will go up, breaking all those highs over there. So all those highs need to be broken. And then we will see. Hope we'll make some money till the end of this month. So this will be the Christmas run. Christmas money will be there now on this dollar movement. So that's why I'm very, very focused on dollar. USD Chief, it's the only pair that is currently a little bit against the dollar movement. So that's totally separated one. Can just go small correction and still downside. I'm not trading it. USDN, very good one. I will be adding more definitely if it pulls back. I need a pullback so I can jump in. I'm having the EURN position. The charts are very much similar. Very much similar chart. This was my entry. It was basically from Sunday or the weekend. I couldn't stay away from it. I was watching charts during the weekend, so I found it on Sunday morning, and then when the market opens, when spread goes away, I just trigger it. I saw it was worth of taking it. These spikes were there very, very funny. A funny one. But who knows how this will end? We can predict the candles. This one's strange. There's still a possibility that this can be a correction for more downside. Could be 1, 2, 3. This could be the correction, and then we can go one more leg lower. Possible movement as well. But the whole time I'm watching these as flagged for more upside. This is the 1, this is the 2, and this is the 3. The whole movement, like we have over there to the upside, can happen over there. Very, very highly likely possible movement for the dollar. So if dollar starts building like this, then we'll have a lot of sells on euro dollar, but this forecast, it's too big. Nobody's trading this. We can just have a sense of direction what it could happen, but definitely could be the buy. But patient needs over there, a lot of patience. It's what we need over there, definitely. This gold, it's funny over there. This move can still go to the downside. This is very possible. It can go downside. Not much over there, not much. Bitcoin, I think the Bitcoin will go tag there, those highs, and then definitely we can still go downside. I don't believe that this is completed movement, and I don't think we will go back at the top very soon. Bitcoin is a very interesting one those days. This formation for more downside over there. Very possible one. No buy currently. Nothing. Instead, if you were holding it from there, from these areas, then great. I didn't. I'm not trading Bitcoin. Basically, I'm not in the crypto at all. UK and US or one more leg lower. That's something that I anticipate. Oh, misclick. Today I didn't take this sell setup over there. This was the sell setup. I didn't take it. I don't like it. I will be buying it, buying the oil. I was trading this buy, I was trading this buy, and I was in the buy over there. Close that on with a small loss over there. There was a small loss. Close this everything out, and I will wait for buy. I don't want to take that buy. Hmm. This has to go in deeper pullback. Let's see. Yes, very possible that this can go now in the deeper pullback, leg lower, and then we can anticipate more upside. Yeah, this to drag one more leg lower, and then we'll see what to do. I think we will continue to the upside more over there. Yeah, definitely. Definitely, this is the sell currently. Don't see any buy over there at same there. Maybe we will get some movement by the end of today. Take everything off. UK 100. That looks very much corrective for me. And going back at this stop, these highs, very possible. This to be the movement, yeah. We will see. I think all news are gone today. Let me check if we have any news. No, not anymore. Everything is finished. Oh, this one's going very nice. This increasing profits. Perfect. When the patient pays, But it's been a few days now, I think. Yeah. One day for the nose. Basically 3 days Sunday, I opened it Monday and today is the Tuesday, so almost 3 days. This can be very fast movement. I did expect that the price will pull back and give me one more entry, but I still do anticipate one more pullback so I can add one more trade into this one now. We'll see. It's seriously a very boring market. Very, very boring market. Hi, I like your style trading. I'm trading based on wave analysis, not something complicated. Very easy. I'm waiting for impulses, then recognizing and position myself when the correction is building, and then I'm riding the next impulsive wave. Very easy and simple to use and logical. It's swing trading, actually. Very good, man. Very good. It pays a lot, right? I like this type or style of trading because it's not stressful. At least not for me. And it gives nice money, nice profits. And consistent profit can be made. Very good way of trading, definitely. Yes. Yeah, sorry for that. There was some lag on the stream. Sorry for that. There was some error. I think everything is back. I hope so. It's working perfect now. Oh, that's great that you're learning. This way you will make a lot of money if you will stay disciplined, definitely. I can say, I can assure that you will make yourself for a living. Are you a millionaire? No, I'm not a millionaire yet. I'm still loading my money to the million. Loading it patiently, stacking up against a million. Just a second, I'll go grab some water. So let's wait. Let's wait a little bit. Oh, sorry for that lag of the stream. There was some difficulties on with the internet speed. I saw that it just goes up and down, but it works now. It works perfect. What about patrons you use as well? Yes, I do use patrons. Patrons is something that gives me the probability. It tells me the direction that I should be trading in. So definitely I'm using the patrons very much. I want to ask about Bitcoin. Maybe I'm not right. I see head and shoulders. That's why he jumped to the top at this moment. My opinion, he runs to. Let me check. Bitcoin down there. What the fuck? What the fuck is with this internet connection? Very, very. There was some lag with the internet, so sorry guys for that. I had some lag. Okay, so back to the question. Bitcoin, maybe I'm not right. I see head and shoulders. That's why he jumped to the top at this moment. My opinion, he runs one for 4 hour time frame is big. H plus weekly divergence. Okay, let me just check. You see, probably reversed head and shoulders, right? I don't see it. So, just one more time. To 104, you said it can. I don't think it can run that far. Still, it's very low, and this whole behavior to me looks very corrective. This part of the structure is very corrective, so I don't think we are about to go higher. I think the much as it can go, it's this much. Up, 1, 2, 3, somewhere there. I don't think 104. You said 104. No, I don't think. Bitcoin will have probably some difficulties over there. Going above there. There must be some correction somewhere there. Yes, this is. I'm anticipating a turnover over there. I do anticipate that the market, the Bitcoin, will react somehow over there at that highs around this trend line, and then we will be extending one more leg lower, or it can get even a little bit more difficult. It can go for one more leg lower, stop there, and go one quick up, break those stops again, and then it can drop. So my forecast for Bitcoin and how I see the Bitcoin, it will be there in this zone, in this correction. It will be correcting over there next few weeks, or maybe by the end of this month it can stay there in this zone. I really don't think it will go higher. Even if I ignore this everything together. For more upside, I will definitely wait for it to confirm. This pullback is what I wait for, something like that. Then I can say we can go to 104 or even higher. That's how I see it, and that's how I will do it. Before Head and Shoulders, every time he going down $45. Look, same situation. Yes, it can go, but where do you see Head and Shoulders? Do you see Head and Shoulders over there? I'm very bad about recognizing Head and Shoulders. I'm not calling it that way. I don't see any link where I can see your link. I think you cannot send links over there in this chat. Can't see any link from you. Yeah, probably it's external. It's not from YouTube, so they block it. It's not possible to send links here in this chat. Hmm. Yes, you can do in Discord. Join join our Discord and send in the public chat. So from there I can open it from the public chat. If you send the screenshot, don't send the link, send the screenshot in Discord. Ah. Oh, I got your picture now. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, I see your picture now. I see your screenshot. I don't think. Let me just bring up the Discord over there so you can comment. I don't think this is. I think this is good right head and shoulders formation. I'm not I'm not inch I'm not sure that this is how head and shoulders should look like. Maybe. Maybe, but very strange looking head and shoulders is this one. Hmm. Yeah, we will see because I don't know. I'm not just watching patterns. I'm always watching the whole picture. I will be buying this Bitcoin just if I get some pullback over there because generally watching this still looks like a sideways, and that's what I don't like when I see the sideways. If this will be because head and shoulders is the reversal. Yeah, maybe. If I see structures like this that there's no momentum for buy, I can't say that this one it's a reversal. It's reversing. Head and shoulder, it's a reversal pattern, as I know, I think. So it shall go. I don't know, maybe. Maybe it can be. Maybe it can be. On daily, it can go and extend a little bit higher, that's for sure. Yeah, that's. I think this will be the area to watch. But yeah, some short-term buying is possible over there. I wouldn't be buying it, definitely. I don't like it. Yeah. Definitely, there is some diversion on daily. Even on daily, I see the diversion that can mean definitely a deep pullback. Yes, that I agree with that. But who knows? Anything can happen. I'm watching these internal parts of the structure because there's something it's missing for me. This one went correctively up. It drops, then go up, and then this goes down. Now this goes up. Then I have to repeat this movement. So this will be somewhere there. And this everything together will create me a big running flat. So this will be the how I see it. Oh, not like this. Uh, then I will see this one as this one. To me, it looks like a running flat. This inside over there. And then we will have a possibility for upside. So very massive movements over there can happen, and this is how I see it. if I'm trying to read the internal waves, because internal waves always give me the sense of direction, and if I read them correctly, I can see there could be some up and down moves as well, according to that. This decoding of waves helps me find out when I should hold, when I shouldn't. Yeah, that's great. That's great. You were buying it since the lower. You were buying it at the bottom. Where were you buying it? Okay, great. Great. Very strong movement, definitely. Oh, this is similar to this one. Very simple and similar. This one can happen. And this will give me the running flat for more upside. I will see. Definitely. Oh, great. You were buying it from the Fibonacci 0.6 or? So you were buying it much earlier. Good one. You caught it very nice. Very good catch. Very good catch. Yeah. Good to be in profit, definitely. We all are happy when we see that the position is rolling in profit. We all are pretty happy. Yeah, just slowly. Take it very, very slowly. There could be a lot to learn. You'll learn, definitely. If you love trading and if you see yourself as trader, then definitely you'll learn it. Okay? You're welcome. This is very, very slow movement on dollar. Gosh. This patient on dollar will reward Definitely. Always when I'm patient, it rewards me very nice. Very nice. Just a second, guys. Yes, my positions are running in profit. I have euro dollar sells from there. One sell is from there, another one is from there. This is why I sold the euro dollar. I'm aiming to go lower, close to this low. There is around the zero, one position, around the break even. Around the break even one position, and euro dollar, euro yen, sorry. This position is running in profit very nicely. I will still hold it. Still hold it. I still do anticipate it to go even further. It's giving nice profit. We'll see how it works. But definitely, yeah, today I am in the profit. There's nothing to explain. There's lower time frame entry point. I triggered on 15 minute when the market opened on Sunday. On Sunday, I have saw that there's the potential to go higher, and what I did on Sunday when market opens and when spread went away, I executed over there. This was my entry point. I executed over there exactly after the spread went away, and then during the night it went in the deeper pullback, or it went a little bit in drawdown. and then it starts running higher and higher, higher and higher. Very simple trade. Basically, I just woke up in profit. This trade was very easy, not complicated one. Yeah, maybe you'll start little higher. That's okay too. Depends depends on your entry strategy, how you're entering the market. I'm watching lower time frame quite often, and that's the reason why I'm getting in trades sometimes a little bit earlier. Sometimes earlier, sometimes a little bit late. Depends. Depends where I see my entry point or when I have enough reasons to get into the trade. But it's okay as well to get in a little bit later. It's still fine. As long as you are in the direction of the higher time frame or in the direction of the triangle or analysis or whatever you see on the chart. I saw that on Sunday and I felt that there is the good chance of taking it. And it looks perfect. All my criteria for entry point were in alignment or were checked. And this was the reason why I triggered it exactly over there where is on the picture. This is where my entry point is. I will see if it extends higher and higher, that would be perfect. I don't want to see any. I don't like or I don't. If there will be any reactions there at the top, then I will definitely take profits. Any weird stuff over there, I will cut it. I will take my profit. Without a shadow of a doubt. But this little fella, this is a headache. I don't like when they are going down very corrective. I don't like it. Every time when it tries to go down, it pulls back. Down, pulls back. Every new low, it pulls back. Every new low, it pulls back. New low again. Look at that when it pulls back. That gives me the idea, or this tells me that this little thing over there is just the correction to the downside. These are the characteristics. As long as we have new low pullback, new low pullback, new low pullback, without a shadow of doubt, this is definitely some sort of correction, and maybe then this one it's not what I was watching for, but for now we will see. I'm still monitoring that. This trade will not go in minus. I will not let it go in the minus, but we'll monitor it. Let's see how it goes. Sometimes they just need a little bit more time before they start to go. That's for sure. It can happen. Or there was same struggle as well, something like that. Yes, 2 days, 2 days of struggling before this finally started to move. So same can happen. Same can appear over there. Some struggle. I will not be adding more trades. I have 2 trades. That's it. That's it. I will just keep an eye on it. How that will go. I think this is still still for downside. This to visit this lower there. It's around the break-even trade now. It's moving around break-even. We'll see. I think it just fell down. Crazy. Like now gold double top 1 minute time frame, your main time 15 minutes further. Yes, I don't go that low. Low time frames is something that I don't like to stress about. I tried a couple of times, I've been on 1 minute, but I don't like it. It's not something that I like. My main time frame is 15 minutes. Yeah, this is 15 minutes is where I find entry point. 50 minutes my entry point, and directional time frame is 4 hour and daily. Very, very slow market. I will end the stream over there because anyway, I have to leave those trades till tomorrow. I do anticipate the euro dollar will go lower and lower to at least back to this little somewhere there. I think this is the zone where I will be watching for. Maybe consider taking some profit. But as they are looking right now, very slow. No movement at all. Gold, I still do believe it will go and tag this low. Very possible. But it could take up few hours, so that's the reason why I will end the webinar over there. And see you maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow at the same time, we can do it again. Especially if you like this sort of stuff of these live streams. Okay, so take care, everybody. Enjoy trading. Wish everyone a lot of luck, a lot of money, and see you in the next stream. Make sure you subscribe if you like, and see you. Take care. Bye bye.